Hello everyone. Today we are going to be discussing about emergency escape breathing device, also known as EEBD. Okay, so before we learn what is an EEBD, let's take a look at the regulation and the definitions. So let's go. International Code for Fire Safety Systems, or FSS code. Okay, Chapter 3, 2.2, Emergency Escape Breathing Device. Okay, so an EEBD is a supplied air or oxygen device only used for escape from a compartment that has hazardous atmosphere and shall be of an approved type. Okay, that's very basic. The key word here is only used for escape. Okay. EEBD shall not be used for fighting fire, entering oxygen deficient voids or tanks, or worn by firefighters in these events. A self-contained breathing apparatus which is specifically suited for such applications shall be used. So EEBD shall not be used for firefighting, entering enclosed space, or worn by firefighters. Okay, in these events an SCBA shall be worn. Okay, quite basic. Definitions. A face piece means a face covering that is designed to form a complete seal around the eyes, nose and mouth, which is secured in a position by a suitable means. Hood means a head covering which completely covers the head, neck and may cover portions of the shoulders. Hazardous atmosphere means any atmosphere that is immediately dangerous to life or health. Okay. Particulars. The EEBD shall have a service duration of at least 10 minutes. At least 10 minutes. The EEBD shall include a hood or full face piece as appropriate, to protect the eyes, nose and mouth during escape. Hood and face pieces shall be constructed of flame resistant material and include a clear window for viewing. An inactivated EEBD shall be capable of being carried hands-free. An EEBD, when stored, shall be suitably protected from the environment. Brief instructions or diagrams clearly illustrating their use shall be clearly printed on the EEBD. The donning procedures shall be quick and easy to allow for situations where there is little time to seek safety from hazardous atmosphere. Maintenance requirements, manufacturer's trademark and serial number, shelf life with accompanying manufacturer date and name of approving authority shall be printed on each EEBD, and EEBD training units shall be clearly marked. So let's take a look at our EEBD right now. As you can see, it's marked training only. This is a training EEBD. Okay, and here you can see requirements of maintenance. Place it in a dry and ventilated area. Check the pressure of the cylinder every month. Supply the air enough in time. Do not disassemble the decompressing set rashly. Service life 15 years. Okay, and this is the manufacturer down here. Okay, and on the other side we have the instructions on how to use. Okay, first you see, carry the bag on your shoulder, pull the pack open. Okay, that's number one. Take out the protective cover, open the valve cylinder. Okay, put on helmet or mask, escape from the dangerous zone quickly. Okay, so let us try it out. It says here 15 minutes, but just to be safe, we should assume that the EEBD working time is around 10 minutes. It depends on the person, on how they breathe, and the temperature, and many other factors that can determine the time. But usually it's about 10 to 15 minutes. So let's see how to wear this EEBD. So as we seen just now, to use this EEBD, first carry the bag, put the bag over your shoulder like so, and open the pack. Okay, open it. You see, inside there's a hood, supply valve, and there's a face piece and the hood. Okay, so next what we do, put it on. Open the valve. So after opening the valve, immediately escape, because this can last for about 10 to 15 minutes. So we wouldn't want to take our chances. So as you can see, comparison side by side, both of them are the similar size. So in this EEBD, the design is a little bit different, because when you open this one over here, this seal will break. As you can see, this seal, and the air will start flowing immediately. Okay, you don't have to open any valve or whatever, because as you can see right now it is pressurized, whereby this one is not pressurized. You can see the pressure gauge is at 0 unless you open the valve, but this one you don't have to. Okay, so it's very important to know your equipment before using it, because when the time comes during emergency, you will not have time to learn the equipment. Okay, but generally most of the EEBD and most of the ship equipment are similar, and it is very easy to learn. So this is the EEBD.